Hello everyone. In this video, we will be learning how to install Java JDK on a Windows operating system. So firstly, to check whether Java is installed or not, just go to search bar and search for CMD or command prompt.
To check whether Java is installed or not, just type Java version and press enter. So as you can see, we are getting an error. We get this error because of mainly that Java is not installed on your system. So another way to check that Java is installed or not is you can enter Java hyphen version and press enter. So we are getting an error again. So let us begin the process to install Java on your PC. So first of all, open your favorite browser and type Java JDK. Click on the first link which you get, which is oracle.com. Now here you can see that Java 16 is the latest version, and this is Java LTS, which is long-term support version. So in this video we are going to install the latest Java version. You can click on JDK download. So once this page opens, you can scroll down and here you can see the operating system for which Java JDK is available. So for Windows, you have to install Windows into 64 installer. So just click on Window into 64 bin.exe. So you can check here that I have reviewed and accept the Oracle Technology Network license agreement and click on download button. Once the file is downloaded, you can click on that executable file and then you can run .exe file. This will be your path where the Java JDK will be installed. Click on next. After successful installation, you can just close this window. And now I will go to the location where Java is installed. This PC, C directory, program files, and here you can see Java. So here you can see Java JDK version, and here you can see bin folder where all files are located. So our next step is to set this bin folder as environmental variable so that we can run all the Java related commands. So copy this path up to bin folder.
Then go to your Windows icon, then go to settings, and in settings click on system, and in search type environment variables. Then you have to choose edit the system environment variable, and this will open this kind of window. So here go to environment variables, and here you need to set the environment variable related to Java. So here you have to click on the path environment variable, then click on edit, and then click on new, and then paste your path for Java bin folder, press enter, and then click on OK. And this environment variable is set now. Also, if you want to develop with Java or Java related tools, you might also want to set Java home environment variable. So you have to click on new option here. Enter the variable name Java home in capital letters, Java hyphen home, and then the value for the variable will be the path up to JDK folder. So copy the path up to the JDK folder and then paste it here as the value for Java home environmental variable. Click OK here. You can see that Java home variable is set now. Then click on OK, again OK, and close all the windows. Firstly close all command prompt previously opened, and then now open new command prompt, and here we will check all Java commands one by one. So first just write Java hyphen version and press enter. So it will give you Java version which we have installed. So we have installed Java version 16.0.1. Next we will check javac command. Just type javac hyphen version and press enter. This will give you the currently installed Java version. One more command you can try to see your environment variable is set correctly or not. Just type echo percent your variable name, that is Java underscore home, and then again percent and press enter. This will give you the path which is set for Java home environment variable. So everything is fine now and you are ready to work with Java and Java related programs on your operating system. Hope you have liked the video, and if you are facing any errors, do let me know in the comment section below.